I'm here to help with information, conversation, and anything else you need. Hi there, I'm Wally, your friendly digital companion. Ready to chat or help with anything you need. What's on your mind today?
Can you say hello to all my friends?
Hello to all your friends. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Is there anything fun or interesting you'd like to share with them?
Yeah, just say I love them.
I love them too.